These are the best Air Jordan 1s you can buy for $150 or less. Very soon, we will be getting the release of the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe. Well, I want to tell you guys about the Bread Toe Air Jordan 1 Low. The Air Jordan 1 Low Bread Toe is not an OG Air Jordan 1 Low, but it is still a very fire pair of Jordan 1 Lows in the black and red colorway. Resale is at around $120, $130. It is not bad. A little bit over retail. This is a very, very clean pair of Jordan 1s. Easy to wear, easy to match. Hey, you can't go wrong with a black and red Air Jordan 1, can you? With the upcoming release of the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe, OG, the Bread Toe is a very clean alternative. If you can't get the black toes, get the bread toes. It's the next best thing. It's still very clean. You're gonna wind up wearing about the same outfits anyway, and you're not gonna wind up spending a lot of money either. For under $150, this is a good cop. And mind you, prices were higher a few months ago. These have dropped in price again. It's a good cop for under $150. It's giveaway time. I'm giving away a pair of the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. All you guys need to do to enter this free giveaway is like this video. Hit that subscribe button right now. Join the More family. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. And DM me proof on Instagram. DannyMoore2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof that you guys subscribed. Good luck on this free sneaker giveaway. This giveaway ends at the end of this month. Next week, in a YouTube video, you guys will see the winner of the Lost and Found Jordan 1. So make sure you guys come back to the channel the beginning of next month. Next week, you'll see the winner. Good luck on a pair of Lost and Found Jordan 1s. Thanks to Kufandi for sponsoring this video. Kufandi is a website you guys can go to get stylish, comfortable clothing for an affordable price. Right now, I'm wearing the Hawaiian button-down short sleeve shirt, which is perfect for a summer vacation or a summer night out. Kufandi sent over some of their clothing that I love for the summer. One of my favorites is this linen cream-colored set. You got the pants and you got the matching shirt that is perfect for a summer night out or a casual dinner. This set is extremely lightweight, really comfortable, and looks great with the Air Jordan 1 mochas that I'm wearing. Another piece I'm enjoying from Kufandi is this vintage bowling button-down that fits great and looks great for a night out or a dinner. The vintage look of this piece is absolutely fire. Kufandi clothing is very stylish, it's very comfortable, and they have a ton of pieces that are very affordable. Be sure to check out Kufandi with my link down below in the description, and make sure you guys use my code at checkout for a huge discount. Thanks, Kufandi. These next two Air Jordan 1s go hand in hand, and you might be able to go to your local store and find them right now on sale for less than $150. It's a good deal for a pair of Jordan 1s. Personally, I'm not too crazy about either one. I definitely prefer the low over the high. That is for sure. I think the low is much better. But let's start off with the high. The Air Jordan 1 High OG White Cement. This is a pair of Air Jordan 1s that you can get for well under $150. As far as the colorway goes, I will say it's a little out there. It's a little much. It's wearable, right? You can't go wrong with black, gray, white. It's wearable. They took the elephant print or the cement print, whatever you want to call it. They took it from the Air Jordan 3 and put it all over this Air Jordan 1. To me, it's a little much, but I definitely could see why people like them. I think it's still a good pair of Jordan 1s. For under $150, it's a high OG. You got Nike Air. You got a special box. Listen, it's not a bad pair of Jordan 1s. Now, the low top, the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Cement, I think those are a little bit better. I think they're done better. They're not as heavy on the elephant print like they are on the high OG. I think the low top definitely toned it down a little, and it looks a little bit better, in my opinion, with the black on the low OG than the white on the high OG. The lows are going for the low. You can get them for well under $150. It's a good pair of Jordan 1s. If you don't have an OG Air Jordan 1 Low, I think it's a good cop for well under $150. They're wearable. They're clean. You can't go wrong with the colorway. It is a little much. I understand with the elephant print. But hey, it's not bad for a pair of Jordan 1s. In the low OG for under $150, we don't really see it often, so I think this is a good cop. Both of them are, and you could probably go to your local store and probably find them for under $150. We have a collab on this list. A union collab of all things, which is crazy to even think about. The Air Jordan 1 Low KO Union in both the canvas and the leather colorways. Crazy. They're going for about $150 each. The leather pair might be a few dollars more. It's still give or take around that $150. Listen, it's a Union collab on an Air Jordan 1. It's not a high OG, it's not a low OG, it's a new model, but it's still a Jordan 1 at the end of the day. And it's going for around $150, which is crazy. It's about retail. That's nuts. It's a Union of all things. We all know that the high OG Unions are very, very expensive. Listen, this is crazy. We got a Union collab Jordan 1 going for $150. Yes, I know it's a KO, but it's still crazy to even think about. They're clean, they're wearable, the material, if you get the canvas, I know some people may not be crazy about it, but they're still wearable, and on both, you can actually swap out the swooshes, which is absolutely crazy. It's a really cool detail. These sneakers, both of them have cool details, cool colorways, easy to wear, easy to match. If you don't want to spend a lot, but still want to have a collab Air Jordan 1, the Union KO lows are definitely the way to go. For $150, it's a crazy even thought. This next pair of Air Jordan 1s is a really good color blocking. I think the green is not helping it, and the time that they released is certainly not helping it, but it's definitely a good cop for under $150. This is crazy. The Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green, they come in a special box. Quality's decent. It's the black toe color blocking with green. $150 or less, you can't beat it. On this type of Jordan 1, it's a good deal. I'm not really surprised that they're going for this, but at the same time, I kind of am. It's kind of confusing. This is crazy. I will say this. If these released back 2-3 years ago, these would not be at $150. Crazy even think about. $150 for a good color blocking Air Jordan 1? Crazy. It might be the green. I'm not sure. It could be. I think it's definitely the timing that's not helping, but that's crazy. Good cop. A very good cop. One of my favorites definitely in this video. The Lucky Green Air Jordan 1s for under $150. They're wearable. It's clean. A good color blocking. This is an absolute must for $150 or less. We have another pair of Air Jordan 1s that I'm not really shocked is going for this price point, but it's definitely worth it. You can get them for around $150, $155, $140, $145, around there. The Air Jordan 1 High OG, another High OG, which is crazy. Like I said, if this was a few years ago, these prices would be higher. The Air Jordan 1 High OG, True Blue. Crazy that these are going for this price. It's a good colorway. Once again, special box. It's a good pair. It's a very nice pair. Quality's nice. The colorway is cool. It's wearable. I am not shocked that they're going for this price, but I think it's still a very good cop while they are going for this price. This is a good shoe. They're wearable. You can't go wrong with any of these wearable sneakers in this video. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for me, and make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Let me know down below in the comments your favorite shoe in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.